Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining with us today and tuning into our training. So if you're watching this on replay, please share with me in the comments what kind of business that you have and where you're from, because I'd love to know. All right, I'm going to jump into it. So we are going to start with the fact that most personal finance books are not discussing how we can create more income. Most of these books are only discussing how we can cut or decrease our expenses. You can only ever give, save, or invest in direct proportion with what you earn. So that means that there is some sort of a direct relationship or correlation with your ability to invest and the growth that you experience. So who am I? I'm going to just tell you who I am. I am Caitlin. I am the owner of Citizen Virtual Business Services, and we are a virtual bookkeeping company. We've been serving plumbing contractors and others in the construction industries for over 4 years. So that's why I want to talk about this with you. For this training, I want you to think about a time that you invested in yourself and in your business and how it changed your life and how you were able to get a return on your investment. So it felt good, right? You made a decision to invest and you saw clear evidence that it worked for you. As a business owner, we often think about investments as expenses, and it really stunts our ability to continue on our growth pattern. So thinking about how bookkeeping can maybe make an impact on your business and what the return on investment is would kind of take things maybe to the next level. So to take this a step further, what are some of the things that you might lose? Not just gain, but what would you lose if you didn't invest in a quality bookkeeping team? Well, it really comes down to the fact that you have two choices. You can do it yourself, figure it out the hard way, make mistakes, lose precious time, but save money. Or you can invest in a proven framework that gets you to the next level and allows you to experience that growth faster. So here's a snapshot of our current proven framework that we use with our clients. There are 7 steps to this. The first is that we review your current bookkeeping, your financial statements, and your prior year tax returns to ensure that they are caught up, cleaned up, and in compliance. The second thing we would do is determine what the current needs are for you and where you're struggling. Third, once we determine kind of where you're at and what your needs are, it would be prudent to determine and assess where you want to go. So we would try and figure out what are your goals for the future of your company. The fourth thing we would do is build a roadmap to get you from point A to point B and help you reach your desired goals. Number 5, we'd create the plan and a forecast for your future. So not only where are you going, but this would be how long it will take for you potentially to reach that goal if you were to follow our roadmap and our plan for the future. Number 6, there is a way to shorten the period of time potentially on your investment strategies. So that could be, again, investment, it could be tax strategies, possible opportunities or different revenue sources, etc. How can we figure out a way to shorten that time based on what you have available to you in those strategic areas? And number 7, continuing to measure the progress and make pivots as needed. So the takeaway here is that investing in your business can come in a few different ways. You can invest yourself and do the time and what's needed on your own. That's an investment of your time, but it saves you money. There's also investment opportunities where you're getting paid help within your company and that's going to help you get there faster, and you'll be working with a professional team. So if you need support on any of this, please feel free to comment below with next steps so that we can reach out to you and see if we might be able to support you. Some people don't have a team that's able to support them. So again, we'd love it if you reach out to us to see if we might be able to help. And if you have a colleague or a friend or a business associate that could hear this information and benefit from it, we'd love it if you'd share this video with them or tag them below. All right, we will see you in our next training video.